Okay, so let's just talk about the Big Bang and see if it makes any sense. There are a few very obvious flaws in this theory. The first of these flaws is what caused the gravity to cause nothing to collapse into a singularity that created everything. I mean, if gravity is caused by mass, but before the Big Bang there was no mass, what caused the gravity that caused the singularity that caused the Big Bang? They say that 13.7 billion years ago, our universe emerged from a singularity, a point of infinite density and gravity, and that before this event, space and time did not exist. Do you know that it is impossible to have matter without space to place that matter? Did you also know that nothing cannot exist? And if matter requires space, but space did not exist prior to the Big Bang, where did the matter exist that created everything? A logical, critically thinking individual will see a problem with this. This word infinite right here means forever. It was an infinitely dense, tiny ball of matter. Does that make sense? How do you have infinite and tiny in the same sentence? That is completely illogical. It makes absolutely zero sense. And the fact that asking these types of questions will get you mocked and ridiculed by the masses just goes to prove the level of deception we are under. Gravity is mass attracting mass, but there was no space for this mass to exist in. What gravity caused the singularity that caused everything? The singularity is a condition in which gravity is so intense that space-time itself breaks down catastrophically. Gravity is an alleged force of an attraction between masses. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Space and time did not exist prior to the Big Bang. Gravity is attraction between masses. Mass is anything that occupies space. Space and time did not exist before the Big Bang. Call this destroying the narrative, using their own nonsense to disprove their own nonsense. The only thing it takes to see through their deception is a little bit of common sense. Instead of just following the narrative, how about we just think about it? Be programmed is to just repeat the things in which you were told. To be intelligent is to question the things in which you're being told. Calculator can repeat any math problem you program it to repeat. That does not make the calculator intelligent. It makes it a program. Though if you were out there just regurgitating the nonsense that they put in front of you, you were programmed. It is not your fault that you've been fooled. However, it is your responsibility to think about it. Wakey wakey, and I love ya.